Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to use offline maps in Apple Maps. First of all, let's open Maps application on your iPhone, and now you want to tap your name and picture right here, and now let's select section Offline Maps. Now let's press Download New Map. And here you can use the searching bar in order to search your city, area, so basically your region, but it will suggest you if you have your GPS on. So let's tap my current location, and now you're gonna adjust this rectangle to select desired region. So let's suppose that I want this region like this, and now I'm gonna press download button, and the downloading will start. Okay, so when it will be downloaded, Apple Maps automatically will use offline data when your internet connection is when you don't have any internet connection or it is simply unavailable. So that is basically it. That's how you can use offline maps in Apple Maps. So I hope this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.